Hi, I'm Farai and this is my code lab. Today, I will be going on to CTCI 1.5, one away. I took a break from this because I was scared of approaching this question, but might as well fight my fears now. Whew. Alright, so, one away. There are three types of edits that can be performed on strings: insertion, removal, or replacement. Given two strings, write a function to check if they are one edit or zero edits away. So I'm thinking, why don't we try to check these individually? So what do we know about an inserted character is, sorry, not sure why I'm feeling tired. Is that if it's inserted, it's one character longer, like you see here. If it's shorter, it's one character less. Alright, and if a letter is changed, well, we could just look through and see. So let's do it. So, one away, then str1, str2. Chickens are roosting. One bought a bunch of chickens. Anyway. Okay, so if str1 dot length minus str2 dot length is not equal to 0, so edits is 0. Edits plus plus. Let's look at the tips. 23. Start with the easy thing. Can you check each of the conditions separately? Yeah. I think we can consolidate 2. So 97. What's the relationship between insert and remove? Do these need separate checks? No, they don't, as we've done. Then 130. Oh yeah, I forgot the other case. So let me just put a bookmark at 130 in my book here. Sticky page. Oh. Can you do all three in a single pass? Ooh. So, yeah, that's 1. Alright, yeah, I think I've got this now. Yeah, the next tip was, can you do them all in one pass? So oh, yeah. Okay, so the other check is, uh, I think this can actually be done in one loop. Because, yeah, if we have pale and bale, right? And bal. No, not bale. And bal, right? Right? Yeah, you can check the length first. Then what we can do is that. Then no, let's not do edits. Let's do char change is false. Char change is equal to true. So what's my thinking behind this? Because if you have pale and so we know the lengths are unequal. No. Okay, I'm just thinking hard. Like you loop through, things are different. That's one edit. But let's see if it's like pale and ale. It's one edit. What if, shoot, I don't, I'm not explaining myself well here, but pales and ales. That's one letter gone. Hold on, let's actually think through this again. Edits is equal 0. If no, let's do this. Edits equals minus str2 dot length. So yeah, that will give us an absolute number if edits is greater than 1, return false. Then trying to see how I could like give it an affordance, you know, like we have pails and ale, right? No, ales. What happens is I kind of need to like shift everything over, you know, like find the missing character, sort of. So maybe I need to like shift over. Yeah, like what I'm wanting to do is kind of like bumping it over, so you'd have pails and ales, then you just check from then on, right? So that need me to like I so it's hard for me. Yeah, like how do I like kind of shimmy it around to see? While? Yeah. I was thinking of using a for loop, but I don't have to. So, because I need to see like where to start. For instance, so S1 is equal to, like, I need to give it an offset, right? So one is great. So one length is greater than str2 dot length, then that's 0 else 1. Wait, yeah, you kind of get me doing this, so why can't I resize? Okay, so yeah, let's see, if it's if the length is less than or equal to str, if it's greater than or equal to str2 dot length. If it's greater than shoot. Okay, what I'm trying to do is like make an offset of sorts. So str1, no, let's call it s1. If they're, oh yeah. If it's no, if it's less than, it's less than, give it 1, else 0. Because I'm trying to make like that offset we were talking about. Then S2 is equal to, this should be on, then S2 is, oh yeah, because if it's shorter you give it 1, if it's equal or greater than 0. So CR2 dot length is less than STR1 dot length. Actually, we can do it much shorter. S1 is equal. No, we can't actually. Wait, we can actually, because look, S1 is, if S1 is 1, no, we can't. No, I don't think we can. So str2. So this or 0. While S1 is less than str1 dot length and S2 is less than str2 dot length. Well, then if S1 is not equal to str2, S2 wait a second. Wait. Pails and pull. Ah, fuck. Because the problem is what this would do is they would start at different places. Hold on. Okay, but I want to think I'm on the right track. Okay, so pails. What does this pen do? Oh, okay. Okay. Wow, that's incredible. You just... Wait, wait, can I actually program like this? Function get away. No. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I'll try that one time. So, do you want to give the longer string an offset? Maybe. So let's go pails and ales. So then if you give the longer one an offset, it goes here, and the short one doesn't get. But then if it's pails and pale, why should it get an offset? Fucking hell. Wait. They're not equal. No, actually, let me just rethink this. Edits, let's do -1, because I'm thinking this might make my math easier later. Because it's one or fewer edits, or one or less. Actually, it's fewer. Shut up. So, -1. So, if edits are greater than 0, then it's just false. So, okay. we've got pale and pales, right? So you just dot, 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 dot. And you just go dot, 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 dot. Pale. Okay, here it's not equal to. So you kind of need a way to like correct, so to speak. It is. Oh no, how do you just check for changes? P, P. Does the shorter one make way? Pale and PLE. PPA. Then, oh, that's a missing one. So the big one moves over one, and the small one stays where it is. Yeah, I think I got it. Because, okay, so pales and pale. And since it's or, so, okay, pale and pale, just comp, and then it's over, but then there's a discrepancy. But then if you have pale and ale, right? Yeah, I think, yeah, let's do it differently. How about bale and pale? Then yeah, this would just break. No. There's no need to shift here. Because they're the same length. So we wouldn't have to shift. So that part is unnecessary. So, okay, if you have bale and ale, right? You start, they mismatch. Big letter, shift over. The lower letter does nothing. So then the lower letter moves back. And that's one edit. yeah, I'm erasing my code to account for this. I know it's I'm like, so I don't even know where I am. So let's just erase this, and I will tell you how I'm doing. So okay, so I got a case here. So pale and bale. So then that's one edit, and then it just goes straight to the end. But then if it's pales and pale, right, then Pales, Pale, those are the same, but then once you reach the end, and it's fine. That one you could just change the length. Check the length. So let's do pale and big. Yeah, and then pales and ale. Yeah, those would just be evicted fast. So, I think I got it. I'm sorry I'm not explaining myself well. I'll keep that logic with checking the edits. So, edits equals abs str1 dot length. Right? I should have changed that color. Yeah, -1. Why -1? So we can. This just makes life easier. If edits is greater than 0, return false. Right? So we have our one edit here. That mean our extreme ones will never. So if we have pales and pale, right, what would happen is you would reach the end and you just get this extra one. One of the characters at the end, you take the differences. Okay, let's do pale and bake. Let's just choose something. Pale and ale. Yeah, that's a fun one. It's different than you. You decrement the smaller one. Then that's one edit, and if you need to do it again, that's another edit. so screw it. Let's just dive in. So, okay. No. Oh gosh, no. Zero, zero. Well, S1 is it's wrong, but you know what I mean. So, if str1 S1 is not equal to str2 S2, then pale and ale, right? Yeah, that's an edit. Plus plus. Now we need to see who to give it to. If str1 length and S1 S2 what's the next thing? So yeah, it's shorter, so S2 plus plus length is 1 plus plus if then else S1 and S2 plus plus. if edit is greater than 1, return false. Okay, so we got pale and ale. Let's do this. Pale, ale. Okay, so the edits. Zero, so that will be -1. -1, so P and A, that's not equal. P and A, that's not equal, so just add an edit, so now it's 0, and then S1 is shorter than S2. S2, so that means S1 moves over and stays where it is, so it's not equal, nope, you add, nope, nope, so that passes. So pale and bake, so the edits are -1. And this is edits are greater than 1. Pale and bake, so that'll just be 0, so so that's the first edit. The equals, you move over, and then that's false. Oh yeah, I forgot. Return true. Wow, this is ugly, so I'm going to tidy this up first, then we can look at our answer. Okay, I'll fail this job. I got it. Okay, yeah, it's just tidying up to like solidify my understanding. So and or while str1 dot length is less than S1 is less than str dot length or S2 is less than str dot length if str1 s1 is not equal to str2 s2, then we add an edit plus plus. Then if edit is greater than 1, you return false. Now we do our shifty logic here. So if str1 dot length is greater than str2 dot length, now if they're equal, long equals I think if string 1 dot length is equal to this, so s1 plus plus is 2 plus plus, else if str1 length is greater than str2 dot length, if it's greater, so if it's like pales and ale, then we do s1 plus plus else, because the double equals is recorded there, so I can't run twice, s2 plus plus, else return true, because if it wasn't true it would have broken by now. So okay, let's do pale and bale. So the edits are at 0, so it's 1, they're equal length, and then it stays like that throughout. So bale and ale, the edits are at 1. Shit. Oh, that's why we did a minus. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do my -1 here still. Because it'll just be -1. Because it's our affordance for shifting. -1 is our affordance for shifting. When would that break? Pales and pale? Yeah. Oh well, I am lodging this in as an answer because I'm about done now. Let's see what we get. This is a brute force to do this, check all possible strings. You could brute force it, so it's not worth it. Two strings, one way, yes, that means you could, but precisely that means they're only different in one place. Implement one away, so yeah, oh, yeah. Yeah, this is a fail. Oh well, I was out of it anyway. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.